Well, I'm back from Ireland. I had a great time there, but now it's time to get back to work. One of the things that I thought of while I was in Ireland is that I want to help other people. I want to help other people a lot. And I was thinking, I've done plenty for myself over the years, but I have learned enough that it's time to give back. And so I came up with an idea. I have family members who are disabled in my family. Some folks that I know that are on hard times, and so I thought, what if I change some of the focus of my channel, instead of just selling on Amazon, really focus on helping people who have disabilities to sell on Amazon, to build their business. So this morning I reached out to a prep center in Oregon, which is a sales tax-free state, and I asked them to help me find a prep center that would be willing to take on some brand new businesses that wouldn't be able to sell a whole lot of stuff at the beginning. And I posted on my neighborhood, my closest neighborhood app, saying, hey, I'm looking for people who are disabled but can do some basic functions. And so I'm looking right now for people who are disabled, who I can assist in selling on Amazon. And I'm going to see what I can do to try to better the world, better people's lives. Where, for instance, I know somebody who can't speak, they can't talk, but they still have their head. So, what if it's such a hard thing to be disabled where you can't speak your mind, and you feel like I'm watching TV all day, or I'm just, sometimes you might feel like you're a burden to your family, and you're not. You're just in a hard place. And I thought, if I can teach them how to build their business on Amazon, where they find the products that are profitable, get it to a prep center, have the prep center send it into Amazon, and then they can make a profit doing this and build up their income, build up their family's income, then that could help out a lot of families that are out there. So that's kind of the focus I'm going to go moving forward. I'm still going to try to post information on helping people to sell on Amazon, but I really want to help people who are on hard times to get up and at it, and moving on to bigger and better things, and feel that sense of connection with their family and importance, and feel like they're contributing in a substantial way. So if this is something that you think could help you or somebody else, share this channel with them, and we'll see if we can do this together.